up on the glass, staple your tongue, bury a friend, try to wake up, cannibal class, killing the sun, bury a friend.
Now I feel like I'm hydrated. Excuse the dog howling voice because it's 2 a.m. and dogs do that in my society, so I don't know what to tell you. You just have to bear with me. So I'm gonna watch my video in another phone and put the screen over here somewhere. So hey, this is a cute thing. This is like my mobile stand is basically DIY, not exactly DIY. I just threw away the cassette in it and using it as a mobile stand. How cool is that?
Match primer water, which you can use before makeup or even after makeup. So it is really nice. It gives you a moisture. I'm going to use this mattifying primer by Colorbar. Yes. I love this product, especially on oily skin. How this mattifies one side of the face. You guys can see how beautifully it mattified the face.
Okay, so he used hydrating oil primer before his makeups. I just used Farsali Rose Gold. It kind of does the same thing. And for the primer, he used mattifying primer, which is basically silicone infused primer. Mineralized paraben free oil primer, oil control primer from PAC. Also has gold flecks in it. And I used Farsali with the same product. I don't know why I'm obsessed with gold flecks in my makeup products, but it just looks cool, you know, makes you feel. He used primer that was very mattifying and you can see the effect. Oh, I think all primers with silicone in it will do that to you, so you don't really need different kind of primers. You can just have primer that works for your problem. Otherwise, for hydrating primer, you just go in with your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you use. Make sure to match it with water-based moisturizer if you're using water-based makeup, and same vice versa for oil-based makeup.
Radiant foundation, and now I'm going to get into the face. So I'm going to use the same product for oily skin people, and I'm going to use it only on my finger, and I'm going to, guys, this is like one dab and it's matte. Like, how crazy is that? And I'm going to put it on both the eyes.
So he didn't color correct, and I think the model didn't need color correction. I think she does, but you know, beauty is subjective. So anyway, they didn't do it. I'm not gonna do it, but totally do that if you want to. So he didn't really blend, he just applied the product, but I think they cut it out to make it short. I'm just gonna go in with this blender and smooth it out and even out the application. You see how shiny I am? I don't need luminous foundation. I am so oily, like matte foundation will do this to me too. Now that I actually look like panda, let's continue.
I'm going to use the same product for oily skin people, and I'm going to use it only on my finger, and I'm going to, guys, this
mattifying primer on her eyes. I mean, I normally don't use face primer on my eyes anyway, but let's try that for the very first time. I'm learning something. I feel so bad doing this. I'm like, why are you doing this? Why?
I'm going to start with the eyes immediately, and for that I'm going to use the Colorbar Nude 12. It's a palette which has like almost all the nudes you need.
This is a great part. This Colorbar launched Color Story exactly like this. This is from Nykaa. Even the brush they copied. So I think if you don't want to invest in something this expensive, just go for colorbar. Color story is quite similar too. You can, I'm sorry, this mirror. Almost all of the colors they have, I have it in here. I know I don't talk about this eyeshadow palette a lot on my channel, but it's only because every time I think about using it, my heart sinks a little because it's so expensive and I'm like, why do I do this? Why am I like this? I absolutely hate spending money on makeup, like so much money on makeup, because I anyway go for like the same things every day again and again. And
what do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want? God damn it, what do you want?
the more I do this, the more I realize I should have done something for pigment on my eyes. I just broke this. By the way, this is how I store my makeup. Silly, I know. I don't have a proper vanity yet. I'm using TV paint stick from Krylon. By the way, I just got this product from Faces Canada, from Nykaa, and it's because I heard so much about it. It's like OG for so many people for mattifying. If you guys want to see my Nykaa haul video, please let me know, because I continuously shop from Nykaa, and like anything that comes out which is new, I'm like, I have to have it. And I don't even, those products don't even make it to my video. I'm like, what am I doing? I should just do haul videos, so at least I get to talk about products that I bought. Because when I don't like something, I continuously keep using the same products I do like in my videos, and there are so many products that are just staying put in my vanity and no one's using them. Point is, let me know if you wanna see my Nykaa haul video. I'm gonna go in again with the brown shade for my crease. I'm having a brain fart right now. Be nice, be gentle to me, because I have hooded eyes, so it's going to look a little bit different than model.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm first using my fingers and I'm going to go on this color Crush, which is a beautiful golden color which goes very much well with Indian skin tone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a dot in the middle of the eyelid. It is stunning, guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm just
How cool is that he only used like 2 colors with Nykaa Me Bold.
Now it's time for the eyeliner, and you guys know Jackie is known for the winged eyeliner because she loves it. Start from the end, make it longer. It will be easier for me to do the liner.
I'm kind of sad that without TikTok I don't get to see all the makeup hacks and tips. The main reason I'm upset about TikTok ban is because Instagram came up with Reels, and it's just something I don't enjoy making, and it's just, I think class is gone. Like it used to be, Instagram used to be different, like the explore page used to be what you love, and now they're just shoving the same famous videos of
20 minutes later.
I think, I mean, I still make Reels because staying in the game, right? Instagram used to be different.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.
Going to do that kiss-proof sexy lips, what you guys have seen on Jackie's picture with that is really like loud lips. So for that I mixed 2 colors, not only 1 color.
I'm going to use Maybelline New York Firecracker Red as my base, and then I'm going to overline with Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in Scarlet O'Hara, and for shading I'm going to use Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in Spring Crimson against Sugar.
Staple your tongue. Bury a friend. Try to wake up. Cannibal class. Killing the sun. Bury a friend. Step on the glass. Staple your tongue. Bury a friend. Try to wake up. Cannibal class.